how to make a new makeover of your stereo that you have in your car. You are not that type of person that like to just take off the old one, pair the wires, connect a new one, going through all that hassle. I got you the best solution for less than 5 minutes. So let's go and show you. So check this out. This is my 2017 Golf R, and this is the ugly stereo that I hate about this car. Navigation. It always give you that old style feeling stereo that's outdated, not looking, like a new one. So instead of me taking off all the stereo, replacing it with the new one, take off all those wires, take off all this panel, try, headaches of pairing the wire to get this one done. So this is an OttoAibox P3 Pro model made by Ottocast. That's what we're gonna be testing today, as long as you have a CarPlay or an Android Auto. So let's go and see what this device is capable to do. Inside the box, you will get this little gadget with the USB cable that we have to connect it to our USB cable, and let's see the difference. So this is the device, Ottocast, and this is the USB cable. We will have to connect it right here. There you go. There you go. Now it's connected. Once you connect it, the device will light up. Now it's USB is reading. Menu, app connect, CarPlay, connect, okay, and check this out. So on this one you can download any app you want. Check this out. You have, this is first page, you have the map. You have even CarPlay if you want to connect with with Bluetooth, no wires needed. You have a Prime, you have Netflix, you have TikTok, and check this out. You go to the next one, Disney, Spotify. You have IPTV if you want to put live channels to watch live. For the passenger, of course, not for the driver. So I don't tell any driver to watch. And you have the Play Store if you want to download new apps, Paramount Plus, so you have many stuff to do. Plus, if you want to connect to your map, check this out. Remember the old map, how it looks? For this one, it's different, guys. So this is really insane, guys, the way how this little device can turn your old stereo to a new stereo with all the new features in one device. And this is the simplest upgrade by far for any device upgrade that I have done to my car. Guys, I'm gonna drop the link on the comment section below if you want to get one, and I want to hear your thought. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this device. I want to hear your thoughts. So see you soon in the next video.